Hello friends, let's look at this GRE geometry problem. So the problem statement is, if two sides of a triangle have lengths 5 units and 8 units, which of the following could be the area of the triangle in square units? 5, 20, 24, they have given three options, and then four choices are second only, third only, first and second only, second and third only, first, second and third. So basically the question is why the area of triangle is not some one fixed value, because they have given us only two lengths of the triangle, which are 5 unit and 8 unit. So we can have lots of other triangles with different value of third sides. Lots of triangles are possible if we take some different value of the third side, because we can have different values for third side. Now to elaborate this point more, look at the diagram I have drawn. Let's say OA is one of the sides. OA is 5 units. Let's say this is one of the sides, and OB is another side, 8. So if OB is like this and OA is perpendicular to OB, then this is one possibility of a triangle OAB. So triangle OAB is one possibility out of millions of other possibilities. Now if I take a circle with radius OA, and this circle cuts OB at point C, and if I extend OB, let's say this point is E. So there are millions of possibilities of different triangles which we can create, which will have one side as 5, right? As you can see, all these green radiuses I have marked, they are all 5, 5, 5. You can visualize how many different triangles we can create with two sides as 5 and 8, right? All these are the possibilities of triangle. Now to answer the question, let's fix the base to be 8 unit. So, and the area of any triangle is half into base into height, right? This formula is always true. Whatever be the shape of triangle can be like this, or triangle can be something like this, but this formula is always true. In this kind of triangles, the height will become this will remain base, and this will become height. In this kind of triangle, this is my height and this is the base. In right triangles where the angle is 90 degree, this is my height and this is my base, right? So height is just the perpendicular distance from one point to the opposite line. If we drop a perpendicular from that point to the opposite line, whether we need to extend the line or we don't need to extend, the height is calculated like this. So this formula is always true, and we have taken base to be 8, which is fixed because it's one of the sides given in the question. Now the thing is, the critical point to note is that height is variable. One example I have given, OAB, in which the height of the triangle is 5. Now there can be million other triangles if I keep moving this line along the circle, right, in this direction anti-clockwise, and even if it goes below, then we can create more triangles, right? But the thing is, could be the area of the triangle. This is what we have to find. So what can be the maximum possible value of the area? It will be possible when my height h is maximum, because base I have fixed to 8. So what is the maximum value of height, which is 5? So half into 8 into 5 5 is equal to 20. 20 is the maximum value of the area of a triangle out of millions of triangles. Now what can be the minimum value of the area? If let's say I draw a 5 line very closely parallel to OB up to here, this is 5 units, and then I connect this with C, I can go up to almost 0 value of the area of triangle, right? You can imagine if OC is 5 and CB is almost 3, right? Then it will be a very minute triangle with its area approaching almost 0. So 0.000 maybe something 1, like that, right? So area of triangle will lie between this value and 20, right? So there are all the values of areas are possible between 0 and 20, but it can never be greater than 20. That's what you have to take care, because the perpendicular only gives me the maximum height, right? If I move it to this side, even then, let's say if I take this point, even then this height will be less than 5, because this is my maximum height possible, right? You can visualize it, go over it again and again. Even if I take some point here, some point here, even then the height will always be less, and the formula always holds true, half into base into height. So 5 and 20 are true, right? First and second, so C is the correct option. I hope you enjoyed the video, you understood the concept, how we have to visualize and think in such problems, right? And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family, so that everybody preparing for GRE or any other exams where mathematics is the key element, they will get benefit. Thank you so much, and also do not please forget to tap the bell as well. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye. Take care.